Hagod din ng Facebook. You know.
Okay, wait. He's for the job. So it's not him.
Hello, Antonio. How can I join your personal number? Personal number? I have email there. In my description, I mean, in my about, in my YouTube. I have email. I'm not active in my phone number. Hi guys! Click my profile and then you can find my email address there.
Wait, hold on.
There.
What is he wearing in the picture? Oh, yeah. Oh, he's wearing a regular robe. I'm sure you're
Like, kuya to sa kanya. Yung naya nagbira yung cellphone mo, nabuha mo ganta yung naya nagawa yung hello Antonio Mota. Good morning ba? Good evening here in the Philippines. Wala, pumayat na ako guys.
Why'd you do it?
Ay, makakaroon ako ng pimples. Hi, Chris Day. I forgot to buy cotton. I just use my hand. Yeah. Like I use my cotton. Hello there. Hello. Lubat na yun. Lubat na bro. Thank you for the like, guys. Don't forget to subscribe also my YouTube channel. It's road to 50k. Oh my god, 50k pala, guys. My subscriber is stuck at 40. That's why go away.
He's very careful now. I think that live behind the bounce. Wait, he's on the top floor. Careful, don't step on the other way. He's my friend. Oh, God.
Wherever I am, I wanna be forever young. Hi, King. I always give you a like. Thank you, Chris Day. I appreciate it. 101%. 101%. I appreciate.
You look fine. You're doing Briscoe, man. Like Legos to work.
Well, now we have. What? Okay, that was weird.
My hand is so.
That was weird.
Nangangalay siya.
Not good. How did we miss this?
Maybe I need to exercise. That's why my bone is my body is not going to hurt. Service hurt. It's sore. Sore pa yung tawag pa.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I want to say goodbye.
What?